Isinagawa nitong weekend ang taunang Langay Festival ng Mountain Province Association in Canada. Mas makabuluhan lalo't ito ang ika-15 taon ng pagdiriwang. Narito ang report ni Teresa Redula.
Honoring our roots, embracing our future. Ito ang naging tema ng ika-15 taon ng Langay Festival sa Toronto.
Langay comes from the Bontoc term meaning fellowship or sharing among the people. It embodies the spirit of community where we came together not just to mark the founding anniversary of our beloved province, but also to rekindle family ties, honor our ancestors, and proudly showcase the living traditions of the Igorot people.
Sanggili ay bungot, di ginawa.
Isang pagdiriwang ng pagkakaisa, kultura at pagkakakilanlan. Paraan daw ito ng grupong Mountain Province Association in Canada o MPAC na ipagmalaki taon-taon sa Toronto ang mayamang tradisyon ng Cordillera sa kanilang komunidad at sa mga susunod na henerasyon.
Well, it's just for us to remember our own back homes. We would want them to also recognize our traditions, right? If you look at it, we are playing all these gongs. That's our culture. They recognize our dances.
Isinagawa rin ng mga cultural presentations, gayon din ng mga palaro, community dance at pagbibigay ng mga parangal. Malaking bagay para sa mga dumadalo rito taon-taon.
I feel good. I've been going to this my whole life, so this is part of my identity as a Filipino-Canadian and also an Igorot.
Important because it's our culture. In every municipality, in a unity, it's our culture.
This is something that's done yearly so that we don't forget where we come from.
Dagdag ng grupo, magbabalik ang Langay Festival sa susunod na taon.
Come, if you haven't experienced, come join us. Next year, we'll have it again. It will happen every year. Even though we are here in Canada, but at least we gotta celebrate our culture. We're gonna remember the culture that where we were being raised. Yeah, so wherever we are, wherever part of the world you are, you have to celebrate the culture that you were born in.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.